Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Got a nice little ring to it, doesn't it? Well, I sure hope you have a great day, and here's the deal. If you're tired of the rain, good news is that today is going to bring us less rain coverage and chances than what we've seen over the last couple of days. And what we do see mainly will be along and south of Interstate 40 and should be on the lighter side. Forecast high temperatures back into the mid to upper 80s, heat index values upper 80s to near 90 degrees, and we'll likely see a little bit more sunshine, especially closer to the Tennessee-Kentucky border. Now, when you look at your rain chances, Saturday's trending on the drier side, maybe a couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the mountains. That should be about the extent of it. But we do have a disturbance on the way as we get into our Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And that disturbance is going to bring us extra lift in the atmosphere, which leads to showers and thunderstorms. Plus, the moisture content increases as well, so more tropical-like downpours headed our way Sunday through next Tuesday. Temperatures are going to be warming up a little bit. It's been nice to see the cooler than average weather, but we're getting back to near 90. And that's going to put our heat index values back in the low to mid 90s. So as we head out about this weekend, check in on the latest forecast with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a free download. Go to your app store today and search East TN Weather, all one word, and get everything you need to know for weather here in East Tennessee. Have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for checking out Witcher's 1 Minute Weather.